Good morning, it's 7:25 on the 6th of December 2018. It's Thursday and I'm gonna go through the plan we had for yesterday versus what happened. So, if for yesterday we had a scenario 1 in blue, test lower and continue higher, and scenario 2 in green, also going high but without the test lower. Scenario 1 was aiming at 390, and scenario 2 was aiming even higher. I guess the fact that the market's shut partially wasn't taken into account in my forecasts, because what we end up having scenario 2 continue higher without the test lower, but nowhere near 390. All we got up to is 372 area. Then we had this, it was a trend type move, balance, move, balance, move, balance, followed by a quick sell-off and a return to the scene of the crime. Looks like news related, although there wasn't any news. And then it just continued the gradual return to the inside of the IB of that day. Overall range of around 50 points, 51, tiny volume, about 80,000 contracts. So scenarios for today are as follows. Scenario 1, we open a bit lower than where we were yesterday. Let's see what we had at the overnight before we continue. At the overnight trade we had this balanced area and then a sharp drop just recently in the last couple of hours. With the VPOC staying in the middle of the value area from yesterday's session. Okay. Scenario 1 and scenario 2 I made yesterday for today. We're both calling for the upside. And again, one with a dip, the other one without a dip. Dip from there, so now that we're here, it's like we've had the dip. So scenario 1 is we open here. I had 335, which is where we are as my low point, and then expectations to continue higher, test the VPOC from yesterday. Balance, then test the LVN at 377, that little divot there. Didn't test yesterday. Pull back and then continue to the upside. And the highest I expected to go to today is that naked point of control. That would give us a range of around 70 points. Scenario 1. Scenario 2. Was similar, but if we had opened here, it would have gone higher. And then scenario 2 is open auction, test higher, to around the VPOC, which is a bit steep, about 26 points, but yeah, not unachievable. And then come back down, balance here, and tackle this strong low, bounce from it, balance some more, and extend down to 300. So that's scenario 2. These are my 2 scenarios for today. So both of them start with a lift up to the previous day VPOC, and then one of them pulls back and continues, the other one returns, fails, and fails to continue and drops. And that is my plans for today. I'll do it again tomorrow.